In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a related products gallery to your product page using your editor. This can be a great way to encourage customers to explore more of your offerings and enhance their shopping experience, potentially boosting your sales. So let's dive in and see how you can seamlessly incorporate this feature into your product page. First things first, you'll want to open your editor and head over to the Add panel. The Add panel is a crucial feature in your editor, acting as a kind of gateway to all the additional components you can use to enhance your website or product page. Once you're in the Add panel, take a look at the menu on the side. Here, you're looking for an option labeled Store. Click on this option, and it will open up a new set of tools specifically designed for e-commerce functionalities. Now that you're in the Store section, you'll see there are various elements you can incorporate, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on the Related Products Gallery. This gallery helps your customers discover items that complement what they're already interested in. So click on Related Products, and you'll be presented with a variety of layout options for your gallery. These layouts determine how the products will be displayed. So consider what you think will appeal most to your audience and fit nicely with the existing design of your page. After selecting the layout that you feel is most appropriate, it's time to drag the gallery over to your product page. When choosing where to place it, think about where it will catch the most attention without overwhelming the user. A common approach is to position it below the main product details, which allows your users to naturally continue browsing once they've read through the primary information. Once you've settled on the perfect spot for your gallery, the next step is to refine what products are displayed. You can do this by clicking on the settings icon on your gallery. This icon is usually represented by a gear symbol, and clicking on it will open up your configuration options. Here, you'll be able to select the type of related products you want to showcase. You might want to display products from a specific category, perhaps ones that are similar in style or used to the main product. Alternatively, you might opt to show bestsellers to highlight items that are popular among your shoppers. Think about what products will most likely resonate with your customers and encourage them to make additional purchases. And that's it. You've successfully set up a related products gallery on your product page. This addition not only helps guide shoppers through your store in a more intuitive way, but also can increase the likelihood of them discovering multiple items they love. Thanks for watching, and good luck sprucing up your product pages.